Hi, my name is Hal Blue. Recently I purchased Imovie for Windows. Of course, to get up to speed, I turned to YouTube and the internet to get some instructions on how to use the different features. Well, that's what I found. Most of the instructions are for Apple products, the Mac, iPhone, iPad. Well, I have Windows, so I needed to get some instruction for Windows users. I found very few. With that in mind, I decided to make up some of my own instructional videos. This one is on how to green screen using iMovie for Windows. You can have a lot of fun with it. I know I have. And by the way, as you've noticed during the introduction, I changed my background several times just to show you how the green screen effect works and what you can do with it in iMovie for Windows. Enjoy. The first thing you need to do, of course, is to go to your videos and select a video that is green screen. The second thing you're going to do is click on that video and drag it to the PIP track, the first one, and then just drop it there. This is what it will look like in your preview window, which is in your upper right corner in the iMovie. This is how it should look with your green screen behind you. Now you want to select an image from your images. This is going to be your background. You want to drag it below your green screen track and drop it there. It has to be below. Typically, your background image is not going to be as long as your video. To correct this, all you have to do is select the background image and then drag the edge all the way to the end of your video and let it go. And that will give you your background image throughout the video. The next thing we want to do is select your video so we can get to the green screen commands. So to do that, you select your video, and after it's highlighted, there's a little person icon. I'm pointing to it at number 2. You click on that, and this will open your green screen window and give you your options. When you get to the green screen icons up above, you'll see this little box that needs to be checked off. I labeled it number 1. Number 2, there's an eyedropper. You want to click on the eyedropper and then simply move your mouse over somewhere on the green screen and click on that. That's all you need to do at this stage. After you've done that, this is what the two tracks together will look like in your preview window before you enable the green screen. After you've enabled your green screen, this is what the two combined will look like. Now, I do want to point out that my lighting isn't quite as good as it should be, and so I have that little green effect on your left, my right. But that can be taken out in large measure with the next screen. This is the settings window, and you get to it by clicking. You look at my red arrow, clicking that little box. In this window, you can adjust saturation, contrast, brightness, and so forth. You can see it on your computer. But this helps compensate for some of the errors that might creep into your green screen video, such as the one I had in the previous one. This is how your final project is going to look with the green screen behind you. Now you notice, to get rid of that excess greening that you saw previously, I simply clicked on my image and I shifted it to the left of the screen, and I got rid of it that way. Of course, eventually I'm going to have to add better lighting to my green screen, but that's it. It's that simple.